prefer using PayPal for secure checkout? Let's link it to your Temu account. First, open the Temu app or go to temu.com. Now, head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the top right corner. Now, scroll down and tap on Credit Balance. Here, scroll down again until you see Payment Methods. Once you find it, tap on it, then select Add Payment Method. Choose PayPal from the list. You'll be redirected to a secure PayPal login screen. Log in with your PayPal credentials and approve the connection. You might be asked to authorize the app. Tap Agree and connect. Once confirmed, you'll be brought back to Temu and your PayPal account will be saved as a payment method. You can set PayPal as your default to save time at checkout. Do you shop more when PayPal's linked? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.